My name is Geraldine Gerba. I'm co-founder and editorial director of a new travel website called Fathom. The first thing that I do when I get to a new place is throw down my bags and get lost. In the past year, I've been all over the place. UK and Scotland, Hong Kong and Beijing, planning a trip to India. I was touched by technology at an early age. But I would say that in my career, it was being able to chronicle my day-to-day discoveries to hundreds of thousands of people. Because we're always on the go, it's nice to have something like the Vio, which is really lightweight, can fit into your bag easily. The most precious real estate at the airport gate happens to be anywhere there is a tiny outlet. So it's really important to have a laptop with really great battery life so that you can avoid that whole mess. The great thing about the Sony Vaio S-Series is its long battery life paired with simple design. Being so linked into the world, you could just take your office anywhere. I can do my job whether I'm in a cafe in Morocco or on the train in New Jersey.